Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The LG G series phones closely matches with V series but with few sacrifices, and now that the sales for LG V60 ThinQ has begun, everyone wants to know about the G9 ThinQ. To be honest, there's been little to no word on the G9 ThinQ, but recently new rumors coming from Korea stating that LG could be set to downgrade the G9 ThinQ from a proper flagship device to a sub-premium offering. Yes, G9 ThinQ will be downgrading some specs to launch this phone at a reasonable price. According to the sources, the G9 ThinQ is expected to feature the Snapdragon 765G instead of Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 865. The Snapdragon 865 is expensive. There's a reason why most phones featuring it are priced above $1,000 mark. And believe me, most people won't be interested in this phone if it's launched at that price tag. Snapdragon 865 comes with external X55 modem, and it's not like companies can skip buying this modem because the chipset doesn't have any modem built in like other chipsets, so it will be useless without it. The X55 modem is probably more expensive than something like X24LT modem because of its more advanced capabilities. Thus, phones with the Snapdragon 865 plus X55 combinations are expected to be more expensive than their 4G powered predecessors. There are other ways companies can use Snapdragon 865 with 4G, that is by disabling the 5G capabilities of the X55 modem to purely provide connectivity for 4G LTE and legacy networks. The device maker won't need to certify the device for 5G frequencies in the sub-6 GHz variety. It can do the job by certifying the necessary 4G LTE frequencies and sell the phone in the low price. But here LG wants to provide users with 5G networks, and so they are going with the cheaper option. The design is going to be similar as we have seen in the previous renders, but there will be some downgrades as now this is said to be the upper mid-range device. If you want to know about previous leaks, then check out my another video. Just replace Snapdragon 865 with 765G in the video, and for more updates subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.